Here in Excel, I will show you how to use goal seek. And the example I am using here, it is business decision model example. And this example 122, problem 122 to 124, I have taken this example from the book Managerial Decision Modeling with Spreadsheet, written by Balakrishnan. So here in this problem, we will create a business decision model. To define a business problem, we have to have input variables, decision variables, and output variables from this problem. So once we get these three, right away we can create a mathematical model. Mathematical model, it means a mathematical relationship between these three variables. So using these output variables, we can create some values here using Excel formula. Using formula, we have to find the value what is written here as total revenue, total cost, or difference. So we have to use Excel formula. Target is to develop a solution. What is that solution? It is to determine the best value of the decision variables. How to do that? Using goal seek. So let's start. St. Joseph School has 1200 students, each whom pays 8,000 per year to attend. So each of whom pays 8,000 per year to attend. That's why we wrote here 1200, 8,000. And appropriation from the charts is written here 4.8 million, and as well the budget for the school is 15 million, so I have written that. And decision variable, because the question is how much will the school have to raise tuition per student to keep from having a shortfall. Before it was 8,000, now it will be more, but we have to find how much it is. So our first task is to find the output variables. We have to use formula to get the total revenue. Say here it will be like number of students multiplied by new tuition fees plus of appropriation from the charts, these three. So look at, we have to use the formula, this one, C7 is the appropriation from charts, and C5 is this one, current number of students, C11 is the new tuition fee. So this is total revenue. Now it looks same as this one because here it is 0. So total cost, it is nothing but school budget. Now subtracting these two, we get the difference. As it is negative, so it is loss. And you can see that all these three we use the formula here. So this is very important. Now to get this tuition fee, that is our target to get according to these questions. So we'll go to data, what if analysis, goal seek. So we have to select this value, because from having a shortfall, to keep from having a shortfall, so we have to keep here these values 0. Changing what? New tuition fee. So here, click here and click here. So it is selected. Now press OK. So it is generating. 8,500 will be the tuition fee instead of 8,000. So 500 is to be increased. So this is done. Now for the second problem, sensing resistance to the idea of raising tuition from member of St. Joseph Church, one of the board members suggested that the 960 students of the church member could pay 8,000 as usual. That is why I put here number of students 960, tuition fee 8,000, as usual 8,000. But children of non-members would pay more. So non-members, number of students 240. They can pay more. That is why it is empty. We don't know how much it is. So for this problem, this is our decision variables. All other things, appropriation from the church, school budget, all will be as it is. Now we have to calculate output variables. How? Total revenue will be church member students, how much they are paying, non-church member students, how much they are paying. Here it is 0 because there is no tuition fee here. But this one automatic came because multiplying these two, we get this C22, C21, 22, very easily we can get this easy multiplication. But here this one 0 because already tuition fee is 0. But appropriation revenue, it is already 4 million, I mean 4.8 million, already it is there. And total revenue, just adding these 3. So we get this, adding these 3, sum of from here to here. These 3 adding, we get this total revenue. Total cost, it is nothing but school budget. So difference will be in between these two, it will be minus 2,520,000. So it is loss. So our question is tuition fees. So we have to make here 0. So we will bring the goal seek, put here 0, this one, difference, put here 0, and here output variables to be calculated. I mean not output, I am telling what, this is not, this one. Non-church member, number of students, tuition fee, that is our target to get. This one, C25. Click OK. Generating 10,500. So it says this, I'm putting it red color, so it will be more dominance. So 10,500 to be paid by non-church members. That's what they were asking, non-member tuition per year. So we got it. So this problem is solved. Now we go for the third one. It says another board member believes that if church member pay 8,000 in tuition, the most St. Joseph can increase non-member tuition is 1000 per year. She suggests that another solution is to cap non-member tuition as 9,000 and attempt to recruit more non-member students to make up the shortfall. So we have to revise the Excel model and use GoalSeek to answer the following questions. So how many new non-member students will need to be recruited? So according to the problem, we have written here number of students 960, tuition fee 8,000. Only the difference is here we have to put fix 9,000, but this is unknown number of students. So this is decision variables. We have to find the best value of this decision variable by GoalSeek. So same problem all are here. Charts member students, we did calculation like the previous one. Here also same. And this appropriation revenue, it will be same. Total revenue will be nothing but adding these three according to this sum of these three, and then we get the total cost 15 million school budget. So difference of this is this one. Now we have to bring the GoalSeek. So I have to select this one to be 0 by changing cell. Which one? By changing cell means number of students. Click here, selected C44, press OK, generating 280. So how many new non-member students will need to be recruited? Very clear answer, 280. Let me change the color of this. This 280, number of students 280. So we solved the three problem using GoalSeek.